Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about you know max math.max function or method. So what it does is it will give you the highest number inside a array. So let's begin. So log in on a console, use the math.max and pass 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 2, something like that. What it does for us, it will give you the largest number inside that. So it will give you this, and if it's in the minus, it will give you the highest. So in here it's -1. So this is what it does. So I hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.